You didn't come here for the life of struggle. You didn't even come here for a life of contentment. You came here for the joy, for the bliss, for the satisfaction. And the only thing standing between you and any of that is what you have going on in your mind.
Find thoughts that are interesting to you, thoughts that are provocative to you, thoughts that hold your attention, thoughts that make you glad to be alive, thoughts that make you glad to be focused in this physical body. Thoughts not just about what's around your immediate vicinity, but thoughts about everything that is around your world, because you are the creator of everything that you have access to around this world. It's not just what's happening in your